My name is Niran Marshall Pereira. I'm a second class honors LLB graduate from University of London and second class honors business commerce graduate from University of Sri Jayawardhanapura. By profession, I'm an attorney at law of the Supreme Court of Sri Lanka. The course that I'm going to present today is titled under Accounting Template using Excel. In this course, I'll show you how to develop an accounting template on your own using Excel. So you don't need to have knowledge in Excel or accounting. All you have to do is follow instructions step by step. So at the end of the course, you will have an accounting template developed by you. So let's see what we're going to focus in this course. First, I will go through the process or the flow of this course so you will understand what we are trying to develop. Then I will briefly discuss elements of accounting with few examples. Then we will move on to ledger accounts. I will discuss what ledger account is and how to draw a ledger account and how to record transactions in ledger accounts using double entry method of recording. Then I will take a simple example and I'll show how to record them in ledger accounts before we move on to normal account balances. Before every financial statement, I will discuss what it is and what we are expecting to generate from it and its format. What we discussed till now comes as a bonus package because the real content of this course is the preparation of accounting template. In the process of developing accounting template, I will record these 20 transactions. Then we will move on to ledger accounts where I will show you from the very basic starting from how to draw a ledger account, how to put the debit credit, how to put the account name and how to format the ledger accounts to give visually more attractive appearance with the insertion of the margin line. Then we will move on to developing a balancing template. So, with the balancing template is set, if something changes in accounting recording area, the balance change automatically. For an example, let's input some figure here, then you see it changes here as well. In the process, I will also develop an interest calculator using Excel. Then we will move on to trial balance where I'll show you how to link the ledger account balances with trial balance. Then based on the trial balance, I will show you how to develop the template for income statement with its associated notes and statement of financial position and the capital calculation. Then after that we will develop alternative income statement and alternative statement of financial position. Then we will move on to graphical representation of the values of our income statement and statement of financial position. In the process, we will develop revenue chart, expense chart, assets chart, and liabilities chart. The importance of this template is that all you have to do is input transactions into ledger accounts and link them in trial balance. Then this template, which automatically will generate the outputs in terms of income statement, statement of financial position, and charts. So let me show you by an example. Let's say we have a new transaction which is cash sales. So let's input that. With cash sale, cash comes in. So we'll put the transaction number. Let's say this is transaction number 35 down the line. So we'll put 35. Then the counter account name will be sales. So we'll put sales. Then we will input an odd amount. So we will be able to identify it. Let's say transaction value is 49. So if you can see, it changes here. The balancing template is set. As soon as a transaction is inputted, balance change. So let's record in sales account as well. So we will put transaction number as 35 and the counter account name will be cash. Then we put the amount as 49. You can see it changes the balances automatically. Now let's go to trial balance and see whether these changes are reflected. So if you see sales increases by 49. So if you go up, you can see cash also increases by 49. If you go to income statement, you can see your sales increases. As a result of that, your gross profit increases and your net profit increases as well. So if you go to statement of financial position, you can see your cash increases by 49. So if you come down, you can see your capital also increases by 49, which is a result of capital calculation. If you see your profit increase by 49, therefore final capital value increases by 49, which is reflected here. So if you go to alternative income statement, again you can see your sales increases by 49, then your total revenue increases. As a result of that, your profit increases as well. If we come to alternative statement of financial position, you can see your financial position increases by 49. At the same time, your assets increases by 49. Your total assets and total capital and liabilities are matching. Let's see whether it is reflected in our charts as well. So if you come to revenue chart, you can see sales 44%. Since it's a small amount, there is no significant impact on the percentage, but you can check whether it is appearing in charts as well. To do that, you click on the chart area, then go to design, then you can check a quick layout which show the amount. There you go. You can see sales increases by 49. So let's check in asset chart as well. In asset chart, again we have presented percentages, so we don't know whether it's reflected or not. To check that, again click on the chart area, design, go back to layout and select this. There you go, 441,049, which was 441,000 earlier. So that is the significance of this template. So all you have to do is input transactions into ledger accounts and link them in trial balance if it is a new account. Then template will take care of the rest. So that's what we are going to do in this course. So I pay hundreds or thousands for accounting packages where you can develop an accounting template on your own for your own self or your own business. This course has no specific target audience. Anyone who is interested in developing an accounting template for individual use or business purposes is warmly welcome to enroll. Thank you and see you in the main course area.